Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So you've got an extra video this week because I just couldn't wait to show you the swatches of this gorgeous new autumn collection that Kiki London have brought out. So I purchased these last week and they arrived this morning, so I've been swatching like a boss to get these ready for you. So the bottle sizes are 7.3 milliliters. And I'm just going to quickly show you the colours. So this is a gorgeous sort of khaki green, and I do think they have got like the autumn colours like on point, so they are really beautiful colours. So this is Brick Lane. I think you're going to be able to create so many gorgeous manis with these. This is Wine With Me, so it's like a sort of deep grape colour. This one is Mrs. Grey, and grey is so in right now, like all the decorations and everything is grey, even the walls on my nail room are grey. It's a fabulous colour. And then this is Keep It Teal, so it's obviously a darker version of teal. And then finally, doesn't it just look like melted chocolate? Perfect name for it. Totally making me want chocolate right now. So obviously you would need to prep your nail ready for a gel manicure if you're doing this on your own nails. If you know you've got particularly oily skin, you can use a dehydrator. I will be using the Kiki London primer as well, and basically what's good with the primer is it adds like an extra sort of like tacky layer, which obviously your base coat can stick to, obviously, because normally without a primer your base coat is just sticking to your sort of natural nail, and that just air dries. There's no need for it to go in a lamp or anything like that. Then I'm going to be using Kiki London's base coat. Put nice thin even coat on and then cure it underneath the lamp. So the first swatch I'm going to swatch for you is Go Khaki, and I will show you in real time me applying the first coat, but the second coat will be sped up. So I was actually quite surprised how much I liked this, because I'm not a mad fan of like green colours, but I do think this is a gorgeous colour. It's like an olive green, and I do think that these polishes are going to look absolutely stunning with a matte top coat, which I will show you a matte finish also. So I love Kiki London's products, if you hadn't guessed, because I can't stop buying from them right now. And it's just amazing quality really for the price that you get in. The really high pigmented polishes, there's no nasty smells or anything like that. So that is it after 2 coats, so it's totally opaque, and I'm finishing off with the Kiki London top coat. And like I said previously, I will be showing you the matte version, which is the Kiki London matte as well. So I have got all base coats and top coats that Kiki London's currently supply, and I can't rave on enough about them. So obviously my index and my middle are with a matte finish, and my ring and pinky are with a glossy finish. So I did go outside. It was very cold, so appreciate my efforts. I just wanted to kind of get like a natural outdoor shot of the colour so you can kind of see it. And I did do a design as well, trying to sort of bring in the autumn feel. And I just loved how this gold and the green khaki combo went together. I'd love to know what you guys think. So as I put on the screen at the start of my video, there will be a link which I would appreciate you using in the description box, and there is also I have a 15% discount code, which if you type in Gelulicious at checkout, sorry, you'll get 15% off. So like I say, with the pre-sale you can get these for £27.99. I think once the pre-sale has finished, they'll go back up to $35.99, so you really want to sort of get in there quick, because I don't know how long the sale will go on for. If the sale is still on, you may or may not be able to use my discount code, I don't know, but I mean, if you're getting it a pre-sale, you're getting a really good discount anyway. But yeah, so don't hesitate or hang around if you are sort of, if you've got your eyes on this one, because yeah, you want to get it while the sale's still on, ideally. So this is a gorgeous shade. I wasn't sure whether I was going to like it, but actually after swatching it, I think it is gorgeous and it looks fabulous whether it's glossy or matte. So I kind of just did like a plaid design, like a simple stamping mani over this one. So moving on now, so this is Wine With Me, and it is such a gorgeous shade. Like obviously if you put the second coat on, it's going to be a darker shade of this, but I would actually be tempted just to put one coat on if you could get like an even coverage, because that colour is awesome. So I really do like the sort of deep purpley tones. I'm actually quite surprised, not quite surprised, that sounds bad, but right, if you know me and you followed me for a while, you know I'm all about the bright colours and, you know, spring, neon and all the rest of it. I actually don't have a lot of autumn based colours in my collection, so yeah, so this was like a new thing for me, but I'm actually really loving it, and I'm loving the sort of deeper sort of darker tones. So this one was so hard trying to capture, like I don't know if it's coming across quite dark on screen, but it is like a deep purpley colour. That's what I'm trying to get across. And again, just did a simple stamping mani, obviously of some leaves. So with this bottle, it's different to all of the others. There was some labelling issue and they are working to sort that out. So it's not like the polish, the bottle itself isn't the colour of the polish, but I mean, I'm not bothered, to be honest. As long as the gel inside it's okay, I really don't care. But I suppose like if you're a nail tech and want to use this in your salon, maybe that would be an issue, I don't know. So this is a gorgeous shade of grey. I really do quite like the light grey look. And well, as you see, all of these are opaque in 2 coats. And yeah, I'm really loving this collection, and I can't wait to, you know, play around with it more. So I did like a brick wall, obviously stamping base with like autumny leaves or flowers or whatever over on the top of it. So moving on now, this is It Teal. And like I say, this is like a darker teal. Normally when I think of teal, it's slightly like a brighter colour, but I do like this shade, and I love the fact that these look gorgeous with a matte or glossy finish as well. Another thing you may want to know, by the way, you can't buy these as individual bottles at the moment. It is just buying it as the collection, so you'll be getting all 6 of the polishes. But yeah, but I'm kind of repeating myself, but I do really rave this company. I mean, obviously I'm buying from them, so there's an indicator how much I love them, but because they're like a UK company as well, it's great being able to get like a good decent gel polish for like a good price. And like I've got quite a few of their polishes in my collection now, so I will try and leave a link to another video or maybe my playlist at the end of this video, so you can check out different colours. Because obviously, just because it's autumn here in the UK at the moment, it might be a completely different season somewhere else. So you might be looking more for your bright colours, which I do have as well. And I recently did like a Galaxy Mani as well with a few of the polishes. Obviously not these, some of the polishes that I got, so I don't know if you saw that video or not. But that was quite cool, being able to do like a gel mani with gel polish. So I normally wouldn't dream of wearing a brown, but this one is such a gorgeous shade. I think because it's a nice warm shade, I would wear it. I think I'd probably wear it matte as opposed to glossy with this one. But I just thought, because it was just reminding me totally of chocolate, I went to a chocolate stamping theme. So yeah, so that is it for today, Jelly Babes. I really hope you've enjoyed watching my review and my swatches. I've totally enjoyed swatching it for you. So like I say, if you're going to buy these, please use my link and use my code if possible. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.